Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from your picture easily only with the CapCut application. So this is the other hacks that you can do and other tricks that you can do for your photo editing. You just need to open the CapCut application. You don't need to if you are wondering why we edit the photo with the CapCut, it's because CapCut capable to edit the photos too, not only the video. So if you want to edit the photo, go click this photo editor and just pick the picture that you want to edit. Here I already have the picture that containing emoji on it, so you just need to add into your project. And right after that, you'll see there will be two emoji that I have here, and let's just cover it right away. To cover this, you need to open the shapes tools right here. Just go click it, and then right after that, since I have this long things that I need to cover, so I will let you use this square. And right after that, don't go anywhere, you just need to take a look on this part. You need to visit the style. You need to pick the color so that the color is just matched with the wallpaper of the photo. You just need to go click this color picker and just drag this point into the specific part of the color that you want to have. And right after that, you just need to go click this checklist button, and or before do that, you can just like drag this part into the specific part that you want to place them. And whenever you're done, just go click the checklist button and you're done. So that is the way how to remove the emoji from a photo only with a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.